adventure. Go to Cameron Lake. Ito yung ano, yan yung hiking pa.
Oh look, there's bears
Yan
in
yung
there.
way ng hiking.
Yo,
Yeah,
Mom.
there is bear because we're in the mountain. Be careful pa, may bangin.
Scared. We shouldn't go in there. Yo, take back. I take back.
Okay then. Ala. What the heck? We're going up.
Up? Let's go
Oh,
up.
Yan yung ano,
This is
Prince
on
of
a
Wales.
plane. Look at this view.
Look at the, oh yeah. It's just like Banff, right?
Oh, scared. Take it back. Take it back.
Yeah, take a look on the back.
Oh. Look at those trees.
Well, how come, ano, they dried or they died? Why? How come they then? Can you explain?
Maybe wildfire.
Oh, maybe not. There's no.
How could it be like that? Look
I know, right? They're all dead.
Yo, I'm scared.
Pa, 50 lang. I'm scared.
Yeah, it's because there might be falling rocks.
Naglaing naman ng garamit ti kalsada dito yun eh. Parang Baguio.
There's another loop. Look up there, man. This is not a great idea.
Ah, pwede kang ano yung picture.
What?
Ayun na, ayun ang mga buhay yata yung mga trees doon.
Submit tayo.
Eh see, look at there, Zayden. Parang buhay yung mga plants doon, yung mga trees.
Oo, wala na yung tagdaanan.
Oh, pa, slowly.
Oh, there's gonna be. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Tignan mo din, Zayden, yung ano, yung kind of mountain there, the color. It's just like from Mars. The top of the mountain there, the brown, ano, rocks. I think this year this is our first and last summer adventure.
No, we could have just went to the zoo.
This year though.
But this is the best one.
This year. Yeah.
Mom, it's not bear.
It's okay. As long as they're not gonna attack us.
They can attack you.
I know, bakit kaya patay ang mga trees dyan? Mainit? The weather?
Oh, shoot.
Ayun doon, patay din ba?
Bro, I think this goes exit.
Whoa, ano pa meron dyan? What is this? Horse trailers. Oh, they do have horse
What
trailers.
happened?
Maybe oh, there's a falls here before pa. And now it's dried up no more. Look. Guys, doon may waterfalls. But it's nothing anymore. It's gone. Oh. So it means it's drought. Yeah, that was the waterfalls. The water trays. Ilang minuto kaya papunta doon? Baka dyan yung yung picture nila na nahawakan mo yung
No way. I feel like we're going to a different dimension.
The coast, it's got hurricane and it's shut in the morning. Happy Monday. Monday means no radio bingo on one weekend, but it's back Thursday. And it's a biggie. It's a $25,000 bonanza. If you're not sure where to find cards, we sell them office-wide through CLWradio.ca.
15 kilometers kuna na di.
Well, the block
How
is
long is the 15 kilometers? It's like from my work and sa bahay.
Oo.
Oh, there's so
Oh, do you want hiking? Nah, you didn't even wave.
Papa
Yun
waving.
yata yung nag-iilaw kagabi.
Ngayon lang nakarating.
Oh yeah. We saw
That's
two.
impossible.
Malayo rin eh.
Wait, did they even sleep? I bet they didn't because
Yeah, maybe they camp up there and then they just came down.
that would be like the greatest thing.
Yun na.
And now, what's that?
Make
Not
moves.
news.
Mga baktiloto, ganito na lang gagawin
This
natin.
is boring. What is this?
Ito yung siguro na pa nag-camp ako.
Turn around.
Pa nag-walking.
But just hiking here is crazy because you might be bored. You don't know when to come. It could be in one of these trees now.
Crandall Lake.
Pwede mag-bike, pwedeng ano dito.
Oh, dito ang hiking.
Ayun na.
We're gonna go to Cameron Lake pa.
Keep going.
Saan sila mag-start mag-hiking? Oh, there. Doon sila mag-start mag-hiking. Yeah.
Nandun na sa bundok mga yun.
Mhm. Kasi meron silang group pa, group.
Oh look, they're camping there.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, no. It's a
Oh,
big
it's a
rock.
Yo, it's a
You're dead in there, Zayden. If you, camping there,
Parang
there's a lot of
nasunog to
bear.
noon.
Huh?
Nasunog. Tignan mo oh.
Kaya?
Oo.
Dapat black. Hindi eh.
May black eh.
It is not.
It's
Look,
just like,
it's burnt. Oh look, see, they cover it up, so no one can go.
oh, there's the waterfalls.
There is waterfall.
Ito oh, lake na yan oh.
Oh, there is a lake. Where? Here. I wonder where this goes. So we can have some.
Doon may pa oh, trace ng snow. Tagal.
What does that sign mean? The map. There's like a map.
Whoa, I think he's right.
Ano yan?
Imagine camping up there. Yo, look, that's a map. Wow. Bro, I think this goes all the way, like that.
Hindi nila nilagyan to kung may wala rin dito, trade.
Ha?
Hindi nila nilagyan ng daan dito kung wala rin. Kaya siguro maganda dito.
Yeah, this is definitely a wildfire.
Baka naman highway na tong labasan natin. Layo.
Go back. Let's go back.
Oh,
We're ready to go
Ilang
back.
kilometro pa?
I didn't search. We just followed the road.
I feel scared here, but because like, look, see, look, there's trees growing, and these trees might be.
See, maybe that's there already. Oh, I think this is the last stop. Oh no, not yet. What is this? this?
How much
Mine,
cement do they put?
Oh, it's a
Look, see,
trail.
you can go hiking with the
Yeah,
workers.
lots of, station for the trail. Oh, that's the trail.
Look, you can go up there.
Yeah, that's the trail.
Now what's that? You slow down, bro. Look, see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit, what is that? Orange.
What's that orange? See, someone went there.
Maganda doon.
Maganda?
Oh,
He said yes.
Maybe you should go.
drop code na yata.
Oh, shit. Oh, no.
What is that then?
It's like bumpy road.
Oo.
Ooh, dang.
Oh,
Look at
that's
there, man.
one of the
Now look here, look at that side. Look, it looks scary.
Ito na yung nag-aantayan silang grupong hike.
Wait,
See?
it keeps going?
Oh, puti bata oh.
See? You wanna go hike?
No, but you guys won't let us.
Keeper.
Just
Of course we're not going. Oh, look at that, man. Red rock. Look, we could collect rocks from here. Can we go
oh,
hiking?
dahan-dahan dyan pa.
No, mommy bears.
No, we're not ready. We should have hiking shoes.
Hiking shoes, bear, spray.
Yeah, bear spray. Nagtanga ko, nasaan na yung Cameron Layton. Dahan-dahan pa, masalsad tayo dito pa.
Patricia Bergen's come back in the saddle, and it's Sean in the morning. It's Monday, it's Labor Day, it's Battle of Alberta Day. Who's in the mood for some football?
What does that mean? Allowing me out?
Classic starts at 4. Young McMahon should be at the
Inaayos pa.
This is George Straits on the wind speaker. And you know what?
Oh my, how long is this boat? We gotta turn around.
Nana, hindi na nag-ano tong daanan.
Ano ba way? End of available area. End of avalanche.
It's against people like ignorant. Maybe you're like a territory.
Ayun oh.
Ano yan? Yan nakita mo?
Wait.
Hindi ko pa nakita yung Cameron Layton.
Yeah.
Pero may tubig dyan. Ayan na.
Ayan na. Little Prairie.
Ang layo pa ba kayo?
Wala nga namang babalik na tayo.
Go back,
Keep
go
going.
back.
Let's keep going.
Okay. Now let's go. There. Okay, look. What does that mean? What is that down?
Road close.
What did they say? The road is what?
Close. That is for barricade.
Wala na dito ba kayo?
Why there's road?
Ano na to, ibang way na to.
Huh?
This is going all the way to the thing.
Ano na to, sulubog na to.
Ayun, oh, ang dami na nila, oh. Oh, you don't believe me. There. Oh, ganda no, oh. Parang paradise, oh. Look at that.
Is that snowman?
See, look, oh, may
That
ano,
white
oh.
stuff?
Akamina. 30 kilometers.
Lakad na yun.
So,
Oh, it's a biker.
eh, ditong may sunog dati. This one has burned before. Look.
Exactly, so why are you saying it's not?
Dito yung train.
Oh, this is like a long time ago.
See, doon na may mga puno. Mas malamig na siguro doon. See? Oh, wow.
Look at her.
Look at that.
Is that big?
Dahan-dahan pa. Oh, see, there's water dripping from the Oh, that's amazing.
Is it nice there? Maganda?
Oh, see. Maganda there.
Baka dito na kasi medyo may
Oo.
puno-puno na. Malamig na dito.
Oh, wait, it has been 16 minutes. Oh, shoot. Where did they come from?
20 kilometers.
No, only 20 minutes.
Oh, so ano na dun dati may water dyan, oh, may waterfalls. Nag-dried up na. Look at that. See, there is still but not that much na. See, look at that up there. It's a bit wet. You can see it. So dito na tayo mag-walk. Oh, ano sila.
Look, see, the trees it's not burning here.
So we're here, guys, sa Cameron Lake.
Now look, it's not burning here anymore.
I know. It's
We're
more
not
trees.
walking.
You know
Yeah,
what?
I think-
Because I think there's water there close from here.
Sombrero,
Wanna get your
shades.
sombrero?
Can you open the back?
Why?
Open it.
Say hi, guys. Maybe get the chips pa. Tsaka yung banig natin. Banig.
Balik ka pa.
Ha?
Hindi ka na magtatagal dun.
Okay, let's go.
Well, we don't have
Jacket niya, yung jacket lang kunin yung jacket.
Tara na para tuloy-tuloy yung video ko para makuha ko yung doon. Eh di yung chips kunin mo, yung chips. Ayaw niya?
Yeah, I want chips. Can you hold it? Can you hold it?
Ipapa na ako, I get the chips.
I'll just take it.
Okay, let's go. Liam, let's go. Baka may car dyan. So guys, nandito.
So many
Pero
bears.
kailangan naming umalis ng 2 o'clock kasi yun yung ticket namin kahapon. 24 hours lang. Ooh. I can feel the breeze. Pagpunta kayo dito guys, kailangan umaga pa lang para maikot nyo buong Waterton. Oh, see? I told you. That's the one. Eee.
Oh, we can go boating.
It's more peaceful.
We can go boating.
Oh, yeah. You can rent. Ito yung sinasabi ng outside watercraft prohibited. Oh, wow. Look at that. Andun yung yung water doon, no?
Picture kami ba?
Yeah.
can pedal.
Doon yung ano, galing ng ano, ng yung water. Wow. Very nice. Hidden beauty ng Waterton, ha?
We can swim?
Yeah. Okay guys, ito na. Ito, hanggang dito na lang yung video namin.
Tingnan